Tracy here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. If you watched last week's haul, you know that I intentionally spent a little bit less because I knew that this trip was going to be a little bit more. And it was, although I'm not sure if I actually went over my $125 budget or not. I haven't done the math for the two stores yet, but as always, I went to Walmart and Aldi. We are celebrating both Robbie and Austin's birthday this week. Robbie's birthday is the day that I'm filming this, Tuesday, January 8th. Austin's birthday is January 13th, so we're going to celebrate both of them over the weekend. So they each get to choose a special meal, as well as whatever kind of cake they want. I bake them a cake, I make them whatever they want for dinner. So lots of ingredients for those special meals this week. So I'm going to start out with Aldi. I got some English muffins just because they sounded good for breakfast. I haven't had English muffins in a while. I picked up some cucumbers. Austin, with his meal, wants a garden salad. So obviously we're going to have cucumbers for that. As well as some tomatoes. Those tomatoes are also going to be for BLTs this week. I got some bananas. We were all out of spreadable butter, so I picked that up. Granny Smith apples. Some sour cream. We're going to have tacos tonight, so that's for that. For Austin's birthday cake, he chose a cherry chip cake with cream cheese frosting, so I was able to get the cream cheese frosting at Aldi, and it was a little bit less than it would have been at Walmart, so that's exciting. I picked that up. A couple of Caesar salad kits. Robbie's meal, he requested a side dish of a Caesar salad, so Robbie chose to have steak and lobster with some roasted potatoes and Caesar salad. Austin chose to have lasagna with Texas toast and a garden salad. So you guys are going to see ingredients for all of those things. 2 bags of garden salad, 2 bags of Caesar salad. I talked about those. Potatoes, that's for Robbie's roasted potatoes. Picked up some taco-style cheese for tacos tonight. Some mozzarella cheese for that lasagna. A couple of heads of lettuce, both for BLTs and tacos. Got a box of honey grams for the cereal for the week. I also got a package of the buttermilk pancake mix because we were all out of that. The Texas toast is for Austin's birthday, as is the ranch dressing for his garden salad. Robbie wanted a devil's food cake with coconut pecan frosting, so I wasn't able to get Austin's cake mix or Robbie's frosting at Aldi, but I was able to get Robbie's cake mix and Austin's frosting, so that's what I did. Picked up some bacon for those BLTs, a couple of loaves of white bread, ground chicken, that's for the tacos tonight. We were all out of butter, so I picked up some unsalted butter. I got a dozen eggs. One of the eggs broke in the carton when we were bringing things in, so I just transferred them to my little plastic carton here, but those were from Aldi, and those were 88 cents a dozen again, which is awesome. The white egg noodles are for turkey noodle soup. I made a turkey breast yesterday night for dinner, and we're going to use the leftovers for a turkey noodle soup. I'm very excited about that. Picked up some more flavors of this sparkling water. You guys know I've been trying a lot of different ones. Picked up a berry and a grapefruit this time. I've tried the grapefruit. Really, really good. Lobster tails I picked up at Aldi. After I bought these at Aldi, I checked Walmart, and Walmart had some nicer looking ones. They were a little bit more expensive, but they were also quite a bit bigger. But Robbie wanted lobster tails. These were $12, I think, for 2. So $6 each, not too terrible. So I picked up 4 of those. I got the oven-ready lasagna for Austin's lasagna. Some syrup to go with that pancake mix. They had the pineapples on sale for 99 cents, so I picked up one of those. We were all out of olive oil, so I picked that up. A couple of jars of spaghetti sauce, that's for the lasagna. What else is from Aldi here? I think the only other thing from Aldi is the gallon of milk. Hopefully I got everything. Now we'll talk about Walmart. I picked up this Parquet spray. We like this to spray on vegetables and stuff. You know, we use real butter, but sometimes it's just more convenient to have this type, so there's that. A couple of things of bologna for my husband's lunches this week. Coffee creamer, Italian sweet cream for myself, and 2 originals for my husband. The carrots are for that turkey noodle soup. they didn't have any carrots at Aldi, so I picked them up at Walmart instead. Parmesan cheese for the lasagna, as well as some ricotta cheese. I got Robbie's coconut pecan frosting and Austin's cherry chip cake mix. I picked up a big bag of sour cream and cheddar potato chips to go with those BLT sandwiches this week. And lastly, I think, is the laundry detergent, because we were all out of that. So that is it for my grocery haul. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. It was a big haul. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly how much I spent, but I'll look over the receipts and I'll put the totals up on the screen here. I think I did a pretty good job considering everything that I bought. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!